Hi everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you one thing that some salespeople didn't do that eventually led to them losing the sale. All right, and now understand that acquiring a new lead, okay, it costs resources, a lot of resources. So sometimes salespeople, after meeting the new lead once or twice, they let them go. So in my sales process, some of the leads I actually have to follow up 7 times, 10 times before eventually close them. Right? So understand this. Sometimes when a prospect didn't buy from you today, does not mean they won't buy from you in the future. Sometimes they will buy from you next week or the following week, because from the first meeting till the second meeting or the potential third or fourth meeting, something could have happened that they then remember you and they require your product. Right? It was said that men change their mind every week. So we follow up with them every week, right? Just in case they change their mind, and we are there at the right place, right time, right? And it was said that women change their mind every day. Okay, so do this step called follow up, because you never know when a prospect decided to purchase something, when a prospect changed their mind. All right, I hope you learned something from this video. All right, see you the next time. Bye bye.